So I'm here with a client of mine, man, Alex, and I just want to get a quick testimonial from you about the credit restoration services I've been able to offer to you. How's it been the first couple of months?
It's been awesome. It's been amazing. It's been quite a journey the last, I guess, 2 months of just sort of letting you take care of everything, giving us peace of mind that, you know, credit score, different accounts are getting taken care of. We've seen a huge boost, both my wife and I, on just our scores. It's been awesome. It's been better than I could have anticipated.
Wow, that's cool. And it's been, I think, 35, 40 points in the last 60 days. Kind of tell the people, what's your goal? What's the outcome that you're looking for?
I mean, like a low 800s, high 700s.
There we go. Nice.
Yeah, no, just to be able to put myself in a position where when, you know, life comes up, whether it's having to move into a new house, having to purchase a new car for a growing family, that the headache isn't there of like, oh, my credit score's so low, my debt to income ratio is this much, or, you know, all these issues that come up that prevent you from securing those sorts of things that you need in life.
For sure.
You know, I want the peace of mind of knowing that, you know, when I want to go buy a $10,000 car, I have a peace of mind of knowing, okay, cool, I got a down payment and I'm going to get a really good loan with a really good rate and pay a lot less.
Absolutely. That's what it's really about. Not even just getting approved for the loan, but getting the best rate on those loans.
Yeah, well, that interest kills you over years, you know.
Absolutely. And so if there's anybody on the fence that's thinking about getting services with Victor Johnson or Credit Restoration Mentors, what would you tell them?
I mean, there's no harm in trying, number one. Number two, what you will get is incredible service. You get somebody who, you know, will do whatever they can to help you out. You'll get somebody who, you know, when you text them, they text you back pretty quickly. They're on top of things. They update you. They put you as a priority as a client, and that's more than anything else is just the service that you've been providing for me and my family. It's been impeccable, and awesome. I recommend you to literally anybody out there to give him a call if you need help.
Very nice. Well, I appreciate that, Alex. That's right. Reach out to me if you have any needs for your credit services. If you got a low credit score, or you just need somebody to answer some questions about your credit, I'd love to be your consultant. Thanks.
Yep. Nice.